Whether you're tough on your truck or you have added a lift or a leveling kit and notice that your sway bar end links are starting to wear or have even failed, this set of front stabilizer bar links is a solid option for your 2006 through 2018 four-wheel drive Ram 1500. Now, an end link is a wear part, and with larger tires, lift kits, leveling kits, or just frequent or tough driving can accelerate the wear, and this set is a durable solution to fix it. It's also an affordable and simple option if you're not looking to really have a big upgrade for your links. You're just in search of a factory style fix to help get some stability back in your driving. Now, sway bar end links are critical to the feel of your ride, helping to reduce the sway and body roll that you feel, especially when it comes to front end stability. Now, if one of them is worn out or just out of shape in general, it can drive down your Ram's drivability and even your comfortability on the road. But this replacement offers the little bit of revival that you would need, offering the comfortable feel with the factory style build. With the refreshed ball joints and tougher bushings, this will help tighten up the feel and help your ride feel a little bit more comfortable day to day, especially with controlling some of that body roll, whether you're on the street or hitting the dirt. Now, this is a factory style replacement choice, meaning that it has a very similar OE construction to it with the steel build and tough black powder coat to resist rusting over time. This is also a factory length at about 7.5 inches from mounting point to mounting point, so this is going to work best with a stock height suspension. This also has thick rubber boots to protect the ball joint from debris getting in, and just an overall refreshed ball joint that's going to feel much better when it comes to stability. Now, where this does add some toughness and a little bit of an upgrade compared to factory is the polyurethane bushings, which will be much more durable than rubber OE options and will add that stiffer and more controlled feel thanks to the material. This also comes with all of the necessary hardware in order to install it, making it an easy swap on your Ram. Now, this set here is about $100 and is very affordable for a set of stabilizer links or sway bar end links. Now, comparing this to others on the page, as I said, this is for the Ram owners who just want a factory style replacement with a little bit of an upgrade for a tad more durability than a direct OE replacement out of the factory, and wants something that's simple and easy. Now, again, it also works best with the factory height compared to other adjustable options dedicated to certain lift ranges, making this an easy choice if you just want an OE refresh for your end links. Install here is a lighter 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and really should only take about an hour to get the job done. Now, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can bolt these up to your Ram at home. So that wraps it up for me. Let's get into the install.
For this install, you'll need an impact, an 18 and a 16 millimeter socket, as well as a 15 millimeter wrench.
Today we're going to be installing sway bar end links. Let's get into it. First, we're going to take a 16 millimeter socket and an impact. We're going to loosen this nut right here. And then make sure you do the same thing on the other side. Then you want to remove the washer and the bushing, just like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, we can lift up the sway bar like this and pull out the end link just like that. Next, we're going to take a 15 millimeter wrench, 18 millimeter socket, and an impact. We're going to loosen this lower nut right here, and we're going to take the sway bar end link out. Then pull out the end link. Now we're going to install the new sway bar end link. So to do this, we want to loosen the nut. We want to place it in the hole, and we're just going to screw in the nut with our hand. Once we have that threaded in by hand, we're going to take an 18 millimeter socket, an impact, and a 15 millimeter wrench, and tighten down this. And then we want to loosen this nut right here, pull off this washer and this bushing. We're going to put the sway bar down just like that. You want to make sure you do the same process on the other side, because once we have this all tightened down, it's going to be impossible to lift up the sway bar to put the other end link on. So we'll put our bushing there, our spacer here. Then we're going to hand thread this nut onto that stud right there. Then once you've caught some threads, you're gonna take a 16mm socket and an impact and drive that all the way home. Then complete the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the front stabilizer bar links for a 2006 to 2018 four-wheel drive Ram 1500. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Ram 1500, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.